Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature on Garden game app Roblox that will let you to harvest all your fruits. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Garden game, and first of all, I'm going to go to my garden. Okay, and I'm going to show you the new feature guys right here. Here you will have grow all feature, and here as you can see that we have harvest all feature, and you can tap on that, and unfortunately it needs Robux, so it's not free guys. And as you can see that we only need 9 Robux, and yeah, it's cheap. So if you have a lot of Robux, you can buy this feature and you will be able to harvest all the fruits in your garden. Okay, it will let you harvest all the fruits you have. And yeah, for this update, I think it's useful because you can harvest all fruits and submit all your fruits to the NPC to trigger the Nutty Beaver. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.